Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Hilux Workmate single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5803. The shape runs from the 2nd month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 2TR, 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 2TR, 2.7 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left manual door mirror, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has 6 small dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, factory fitted alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Right front door has 5 dents, right guard has no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, manual window regulators. This vehicle is fitted with grey vinyl interior, 3/4 bench seat, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.